How's the school? Hi, Mikay. Hello, Shalane. Oh, the shoes fell. Hello, Maricar. That's a lot of Barbie there. What happened? Is that their bus? O busy-busy siya maglaro. Kahit mag-isa lang siya. Ooh, dry your hair. Your makeup? Oo nga. Julene, can you get my other cell phone in the bag, anak? It's outside in the garage. Oh, thank you. That's a lot of Barbie doll. Oh, where you going? Oh, good enough. Are you gonna dry your hair? Okay. Oh, are you okay? Finally home. Your Barbie finally home. Alam, may mumu na naman, agoy. Oo. May mumu na naman. May mumu. Where are you? Are you done with that? Oh, what happened to you? Time to go. Do you want to go to the garage now? Oh. Oh. How's the school bus? Are they good? Is everybody had a good time? Hindi na, Barbie na.